Hey everyone, what's going on? So I just ordered this Purina 1 chicken and turkey recipe online for my kitty cat. It's a moisture-rich and high in protein Purina 1 True Instinct recipe. High protein to feed your cat's instincts. Premium cat food. So I ordered this for my cat because it's so hard for me to find a food that really works with her. Yesterday I gave her Imes, and not to say it's Imes' fault or anything, but she ate it and immediately threw it up. I mean, she has a tendency to eat too fast and like some digestive issues, so I'm just like in search of the perfect cat food that's going to be easy to get and work well for her. So I picked out Purina 1 True Instinct tuna recipe. So I know that this actually Purina 1 is like one of the good brands that the vet in the shelter recommended. I always try to go by what they recommended. They said get a well-established brand, or like don't do 9 Lives or Friskies because they have a high ash content. So that's why I chose to try this instead. So it comes with how many cans? There's 2 layers in here. Yep. 2, 3, 4, 24 cans. And I'm going away for 12 days, so I just wanted to make sure that I had enough cans for the person that's going to be taking care of her while I'm gone. And my best thing to do is just feed her a scoop at a time. This way she just doesn't overeat too much. And so let's see, back of the can. So I literally just got this in the mail. I'm so excited to give it to her. I'm always excited to give her new food so she could try out and so I could see if she finds something she really likes. So guaranteed analysis: crude protein 11%, crude fat 2%, crude fiber 1.5%, moisture 80%, ash 3%. That's the max. I don't know, the ash actually still seems a little high, but I'm sure it's better than Friskies and 9 Lives because those are the brands they told me to stay away from. Vitamin A 11,000, vitamin E, taurine. Ingredients: water sufficient for processing tuna, wheat, gluten, liver, chicken, meat byproducts, cornstarch, modified, artificial and natural flavors, corn oil, salts, minerals. So it's not really like the best ingredients, I guess, in the world. I guess they recommended this to me for a reason, and I've tried Purina 1 dry food, and my kitty really liked that, and she didn't have any digestive issues with that. But I really want to find her a wet food that's not going to make her tummy bothered, and something that will help. And she's 4 years old, so premium cat food for all life stages. So net weight is 3 ounces. Non-BPA liner, which is really good because that could be very bad and sink into the food. And then this is recyclable. And every ingredient has a purpose. Purina1.com ingredients for more information. So it has vitamin B, supplement, biotin, some good stuff in there. Manufactured by Nestle Purina Pet Care Company in St. Louis, printed in USA. Purina 1 True Instinct tuna recipe and sauce is formulated to meet the nutritional levels established by the AAFCO cat food nutrient profiles for all life stages. Feed an average size adult cat 1 can per 2.5 pounds of body weight daily. Feed up to twice this amount to kittens. Pregnant or nursing cats may require 2 to 4 times their normal feeding. Refrigerate unused portion. Calorie content calculated: 826 calories, 70 calories. And easy to open top. I like that it's high in protein. That's really great. Give her a little scoop and see if she likes it. I'm sure she will. All right, baby. I literally just gave her the smallest scoop because I really don't want her overeating or getting sick, and she doesn't come up for air when she eats. It's just what she does. She's just like ingrained in the food. Right, baby? Oh, she came up for air this time. Do you like it? This is new for you. This is new food. I think it's safe to say she likes it. She's certainly eating it. So I guess I'll go ahead and wrap the rest of this up in the fridge for now, and then I'll give her another scoop. I don't know, maybe in like 3 to 4 hours. Just give her a little bit at a time so she can digest it, and it seems like she really likes it. So if she didn't really like it, she wouldn't be eating it. She can be a little snotty at times. So that is Purina 1 chicken and turkey recipe. Well, it's in a chicken and turkey recipe can, but this says tuna recipe and sauce. Uh-oh. I think maybe they sent me the wrong thing. All right, I think I was supposed to get turkey. I think I was supposed to order chicken and turkey recipe and they put tuna, but that's all right because as long as she likes it, I'm happy. So it's Purina 1, guys. Wet cat food for your kitties. Try it out.